Welcome to
Straight out of Osaka.
My name is Yumi, not Yummy. Today, I'm gonna make
HIREKATSU.
HIREKATSU is a deep-fried pork fillet. It is less fatty and more tender than regular pork loin. Today, I would like to deep-fry the pork fillet with my favorite shiso in between. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients: pork fillet, shiso, panko, flour, and water. I don't use eggs for butter because I think the fried finish is lighter and more crunchy without it. I recommend Japanese panko because they are bigger crumbs. First, trim the tendon of the fillet and neaten all over. Cut the pork fillet into about 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Cut each pieces in half. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the tray. Sandwich the shiso in between the pork and place on the tray. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the pork. To make the batter, add water into flour and mix well. Keep mixing until you get a custard-like consistency. Dip the pork into the batter, then cover with panko. Now it's time to deep fry. Set to medium-high heat. I use olive oil, but you can use any oil. When you put wooden chopsticks in the oil and you see bubbles, it's ready. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn them over. Flip them again and fry until golden brown. You can use cheese instead of shiso. I think it's also nice.
いただきます。
This is tonkatsu sauce. You can buy it in Asian shop, but mixing with tomato sauce and Worcestershire sauce, you can make something similar. The other one is PONZU with grated radish. You can also buy PONZU in Asian shop. It's a typical Japanese style sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and I see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね